Hi, dear students. Today I will give lecture on radioactive isotopes. Exactly what is a radioactive isotopes? Elements in nuclear physics, the elements which are highly which emits huge amount of radiation or heat are called radioactive isotopes, especially uranium, plutonium, rubidium. All these are highly radioactive isotopes. So what they emits basically three types of ionizing radiation particles: the alpha particles, the beta particles, and the gamma particles. Though X-ray is also considered as a radioactive particle, but it is a very lighter form of radioactive particles which is lesser harmful to our bodies. So let me start. What is a radioactive isotope? So a radioactive isotope, also called radioisotope or radionuclide, are the chemical elements with different masses and different nuclei, and which are always in a vibrant, energetic motion. These particles can emit huge amount of radiation. That means they radiate so much heat is given that can be 1,000 million or trillion degree also. So let me first write the definition. A radioactive isotope, also called radioisotope, are the chemical elements with different masses and whose nuclei are unstable and has excess amount of nuclear energy. And these radioactive isotopes can cause nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. And nuclear fusion. One is FUSION and another is nuclear fission, FISSION. So what does nuclear fission means? Nuclear fission is the splitting up of larger mass of nucleic element into smaller elements. For example, if a uranium 235 is triggered with a neutron, it splits into two elements, and that two elements mass is much lesser than the critical mass of these uranium 235 isotopes. They are splitted into barium and krypton. And furthermore, 3 additional neutron is released. These 3 additional neutron again triggers another nucleus of the uranium 235 radioactive isotopes, and again it's break down into another barium and krypton lighter mass nuclei, and additional 3 neutrons is released. Like this way the process goes on, and that is called the chain reaction. This chain reaction happens in the nuclear reactor, in the nuclear power plant, and that huge amount of energy is used to boil the water and create steam, and that steam is furthermore used to mechanically turn the turbine blades of the generator to produce electricity in mass scale for our houses, for our cities. This is the concept of nuclear fission, FISSION. And what does nuclear fusion means? Nuclear fusion is the fusing of hydrogen, deuterium or tritium atom to form a helium nuclei, and thus a huge amount of energy is involved in this process. I hope that you have understand what I have taught today.